In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook Marketplace listings from friends step by step. If you want to sell an item without it appearing to your Facebook friends, Facebook offers a Hide from Friends option for many personal marketplace listings. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the Marketplace icon, then tap Sell or Create New Listing. Add your photos, title, price, category, condition, and description as you normally would. Before publishing your listing, scroll through the available options and look for Hide from Friends. If you see it, turn on the toggle next to Hide from Friends. This helps prevent your listing from appearing to your Facebook friends in Marketplace, although they may still see it if someone shares the listing directly with them or in certain other situations. After enabling the option, review your listing details and tap Publish. If you've already created a listing, open Your Listings, select the item, tap Edit, and check whether the Hide from Friends option is available for that listing. Keep in mind that this feature isn't available for every account, listing type, or region, so the option may not appear for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.